I ate all that. I was hungry. Technically, I went bathroom like 100 times. Not because of that. Yeah. Don't mind on that. I'm in Atlanta because my dad's in the army and this is the army commander. There's a lot of people here. Okay, bye.